Here's the street that I live on. It's all like that. Branches. Here's a tree that's already out of the road. Here's one that's in the front yard. Can you see the power lines that are down? This tree took down them. That fell down there and took these wires right down, and the wires are pressed. There's a tree pressed against the wire. So, the reason the cones are out is because these wires had a tree fall on them, so they have cones. But also, look down Joe's driveway. That's the driveway. You see the electrical wires under there? A tree came down. Look. Yeah, there's the severed pole. There's kids on a dirt bike. Gonna go under it. Huh. Here's one I missed. In front of this nice house. Didn't hit anything though.